Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on June the 13th, 2019. China's Liu He calls for support economy. China's Vice Premier Liu He said on Thursday that Chinese regulators should step up support for the economy and keep ample liquidity in the financial system. Moreover, Beijing would soon unveil more policies to bolster growth amid rising U.S. trade pressure. Despite a slew of support measures and policy easing since last year, China's economy is still struggling to get back to growth. Furthermore, sudden escalation in U.S.-China trade war has raised fears of a global recession. Liu's comments came a day after data showed China's credit growth was weaker than expected in May, reinforcing market expectations that more monetary easing is needed. Oil rebounds after reports about tankers attack. Oil surged from near 5-month low after 2 tankers were damaged in a suspected attack in the Gulf of Oman. 2 tankers were hit a month after a similar incident in which 4 tankers in the region were struck. Oil prices climbed 3.9% after the report. The tanker Kukuka Courageous, sailing from Saudi Arabia to Singapore with a cargo of methanol, has been damaged as a result of the suspected attack, the vessel manager said in a statement. Oil declined 4% on Wednesday after U.S. government data showed crude stockpiles rose by 2.2 million barrels last week. White House sets 2-year deadline for Huawei ban. The White House Office of Management and Budget has told the U.S. Congress that it will now meet a 2-year deadline to ban federal contracts with companies that do business with Chinese telecom giant Huawei. Russ Wold, the acting director of OMB, said Congress has made it clear in recent days the importance of implementing the law within the 2 years provided, and we will. Last week, the OMB had said it would need more time to implement the ban, which requires third-party suppliers and contractors to restrict their purchases and use of Huawei equipment. The ban is one part of a multifaceted U.S. push against Huawei Technologies Co., Ltd., the world's largest telecoms network gear maker, which Washington accuses of espionage and stealing intellectual property. Alibaba confidentially files for Hong Kong listing. Alibaba Group Holding Ltd. has filed confidentially for a Hong Kong listing, according to one source familiar with the matter. Chinese e-commerce giant filed a stock listing application with the exchange this week without the need for financial disclosures. It is said to have picked China International Capital Corp and Credit Suisse Group AG as lead banks. The offering from China's largest corporation could raise as much as $20 billion, though Alibaba hasn't finalized its fundraising target. An Alibaba representative declined to comment. The deal would be the biggest follow-on share sale globally in 7 years and would give Alibaba a war chest for technology investment, a priority for China in trade war with the United States.